What's up, Puto? Got a little bit of an ugly looking week here. 2 red days back to back is never what you want to see. Yesterday, I definitely um, was 100% on me, but today, although it was very possible to get and stay like very small green. I feel like it was kind of a tough day. It was not the best movement um, at all. There wasn't really any good movement to be had. There wasn't really that much good, let alone great opportunity. And a 31% win rate is not going to cut it, but it's fine. Tiny red day in the grand scope of the week and especially the month, so I'm not too concerned. There's not that much to report on today. I'm just gonna obviously go over the usual. Just got to get my screen time. Biggest winner was a 4 center on 2,200 shares. What time was it at? 24. Oh, right here. Just letting this trend, following this trend up right here on these 3 minutes of straight up action, I guess. Yeah, I probably won't have much to say, but still just gonna get my screen time in, just like any other old day. Very teleporty movement all day. Very sporadic, felt very random for the most part. Held this one for a second. I was luckily in a good spot. I'm not gonna lie, that was a lot of luck involved. Could have got like an extra 4 cents out of that, but wanted to give it the chance to break 50 and 55 because we could have had a chance for a really big move if it did that. That was kind of worth the risk reward on that trade for sure. Let's see. Didn't really have any time to have any like consistent like trades. Tried this one, see if this wants to. It kind of bounced off view up. Looked like it wanted to try to go green. I sold right here. Boom. I just teleported over those sellers after it tapped it there. It's whatever. Drew 29. Probably should have already been in if I am gonna want to try this. Quick candle opening. If a buyer's come in, I should give this a shot. Maybe there. And they just hold it at 25 that time. Yeah, there's nothing easy about today. I was like tiny green, a couple, obviously right off open, that opening trade, but I think one other time I got like $40 green, and then just went back to small red, but I have no problem with being small red today. Very strong bounce here off VU up again, looking strong for this 30 break. It's already, oh sorry, it had already broken 30. But it doesn't continue there, of course. Bounce. Bang. I was showing lower shares on this just because it would randomly, I mean, these stocks would sometimes just randomly teleport 10 cents. And I would hate to get back over $100 on one trade that just randomly teleports. And I figured, obviously, I figured with if it was just gonna be these stocks that were moving like this, at best I was gonna have a small green day. Unless something else popped up. So I wasn't gonna try to force big size on these stocks that were very inconsistent, very sporadic. And I am happy I did so, obviously, because I did end up red, and I would have hated to be more red on a shit day like today. So I'm happy that I at least recognized that it was a kind of a shite day. Um, and I just traded accordingly. Was a little more standoffish. IPA here. Continue through 5. I think they hold down 103. Oh, no, they don't. Okay, let's see. They tapped 103. Once I got over 103, added for the 105 break. What did I get? 1 cent out of that? 1 cent. Could have been adding earlier too, so that's obviously on me as well, but these stocks just were impossible to trust today. They would look like they were holding super strong. Buyers would come in and then it would go down. It looked like it was breaking through as big sellers. Sellers would start to come in and then it would break. It was just kind of very random. To be honest, I'll look at a few trades, but to be honest, I don't really care to try to. Like, I know what kind of movement it was today, and there isn't too much to study off of it. In for this 2 break on this new candle. Give it in a minute, lower volume. Slower mover. There's the 2 break. Bink. Like 3 cents on that one. Or is that the 4 cents, the biggest trade of the day? No, that was about 3 cents. No continuation. No rhythmic movers today. The SOAR would pop up and then just instantly die. But this KLTL looked really good. Oh, that's stupid. Coming over late. It had already gotten over this 11, and then boomed up to that high pre-market high. And I added it just because I was like, oh, I don't want to miss it, and then get back 3 cents for no reason. Not easy out here. Trying to hop in when this turn is happening, hoping it actually continues, but no. Up 1 cent, down 1 cent. Up 2 cents, down 2 cents. It is what it is. This RSL is looking strong here. Hold me down. I'm 6 feet from the edge. Oh, that's disgusting. That's on me. See, here's one. This could have been. I only had 660 shares, but it could have been $70 there. Could have added with this 50 break. But instead, I had after. Oh, I think with how it was moving, I thought it would go up, tap this 56, and then break. But it just went straight through, and I ended up taking that for a 3 cent loss. Like a dumbass. That one is on me. And then all of a sudden, this thing is super strong. Pushes up all the way through 4 right here. Boom. Dumbass. And I think it fades. See this big of the trade of the day. What was it on? KLTO. Oh, do I not have it on recording? Oh, unlucky. Don't have it on recording, but there isn't honestly too much to show in here. PLRZ randomly popped up, trying to take advantage of the ones that are moving and popping up. Let's see, do I take a quick one on this? Candle opener right now. I held at 19 there. Hold a 19 again, I add there. Get out 23. Yeah, just teleporting movement today. Not that much to see. Hopefully a better day tomorrow, but I can definitely take it even more easy tomorrow and just only go on like try to just get very, very small green and just try to hold on into whatever I can grab. That'll probably be the game plan. But I'm still happy with how the month is going. These last 2 days are nothing in the grand scheme of things, so it is what it is. When we get some decent momentum, I know that I can take advantage of it and be up big again. So yeah, it's game plan. Take it easy tomorrow. Hopefully we can get some small green at least, some kind of movement going. Just get some profits I can hold on to, and then yeah, wait for better times. See you tomorrow. Peace.